All right, good morning, everyone. It's Monday, October 26th, 8:24-ish in the morning. We're going to look at Amazon. Um, Friday, it took a dip and then charged back up. Overnight, it went up to a high of 32.15 and then dropped back down. Um, but we'll look at the close. Really, this next, when you want to find the end number, you take the end of the day and then the first open. 3204.40 roughly. So if we open below 3204.40, we'll be gap down on this daily chart here. You can see the daily. I don't know what this line here is. Nothing. Oh, okay. It's the 9 EMA. So on Friday we had a green candle. It looks to be like a hammer candle. So you got these red and then a hammer. So if the following day is green, then that means it will want to go up. Okay, I'm trying to find an example of that. No real good examples, but and it also happens in reverse, right? So if you have a green and then a red inverse candle and then a red, then it means it's going to come down. Or something like this. You got indecision, a big candle, indecision, then a big candle down. You're looking to come down. It is the week of earnings, major earnings. The 15 looks like it's wanting to cross over. Everything was down. Everything was down this morning due to the resurgence of COVID with no stimulus on the horizon. So we'll be gapping down. Um, if we don't get up to that point, we'll be gapping down and then going up, or gapping down and continue, but eventually we'll want to fill that gap. What I think I'm going to do is try to buy a cheap call expiring Friday, which is the day after earnings, and then hold on to it for as long as I can without buying another one. And then tomorrow do the same thing. And I think I'm going to add to my position today, tomorrow, and Wednesday, maybe Wednesday, um, and then get rid of them by the end of the day Wednesday, and then call it a week if it goes the way that I'm expecting it to go. So I'll catch up here in a minute. So we got about 10 seconds till the bell. There is Amazon's down $6.30. Call for October 30th is in the money is $11,000. Expensive. It's expensive. Um, so we'll go with a 32.25 call, 99.80, 175, maybe. Okay. So I was able to get one, 48 cents on the dollar. Looks like I'm down $4. All right. So we'll go to smaller time frames. You guys can see what's going on here. There's 5 minutes. There's the 1 minute. We had this big up and then a pullback. Made it up to 32.04. That's probably where I bought it. Um, let's see again. So I got 48 cents on the dollar. I'm down roughly $4. Dollar and a half. $3. Probably like 32.01. Alright, so we will just delete these old lines. We don't need these anymore. We don't want to be reminded of the loss we had to take. But this was roughly 32.01, roughly. So that'd be my first buy. And with it being $10,000, I'm not gonna be buying uh, more than today and more than tomorrow, unless it just starts getting out of control and it just keeps going up, and it's up $900. Amazon's up $200 or $300. All right, I'm back. So I was just watching this kind of go up. At 32.16, I was up $1,000. I don't know. I might just take it and run just because it's $1,000. So we'll see. I'll catch up. All right, I did sell. I sold because I put up a support line or a resistance line over here at 32.25, even though it's breaking through there right now. Um, this is okay. It was on the 15, I think. I found a peak over here somewhere. Oh, this one right here. It was on the hourly chart. So I found this little peak and it shot up through there, and then it got a high of 32.33, and then it fell back down. So even though that was overnight, I still was seeing a little peak there at 32.25, and then at $10,000 a shot. I wasn't really trying to risk it, I guess. I figured they were going to be a little cheaper, maybe like 7 grand, but they're really expensive. Even though they're expiring this week, they're expensive. So I just I take I don't even know, I had $1,300, something like that. I'll take my 1,300 and go. There's 32, so I've been around 2 grand right now. Maybe it is what it is, right? I just drop back, look for some support, see or some support here, found it there. Also, if I was to extend this left, so I extend this left. 1 second. Hey, hey. All right. 1 second. Hey, hey, hey. Hold on. Let's talk to this. Let's talk to the camera. All right. So if I would extend this one left, it touched here as well. Yep, I'm seeing it touch there as well. So I'll just take that and I'll run. It's gonna be a busy day, so I'll catch up. All right, I'm back. Missed out on quite a bit of money, right? I bought somewhere in this area and then sold somewhere in this area. So could have about doubled. Yeah, I probably could have doubled my money. We'll take a look at it in a second. This high was 46, so 32.50 is going to be a definitely a resistance line. I don't know what I'm looking at over here. Old one. Um, yeah, so on hourly, that would have been a resistance right here. Now it's going to act as support. That's going to be resistance. If we get through it, it'll act as support. Um, yeah, we're trying to reverse all of this right here right now. This is a high. You can't probably see it, but 32.48 is the close. That would be this peak right here where this circle is. So we get through there, then we have reversed all of that, and then it's time to try to take out this one and then this one on the way back up to 3,500. Again, it's expensive, so it's kind of scary to do. I know I was just saying I was going to hold it for the day and then maybe buy one tomorrow, but yeah, I don't think that's going to happen. But I'll pull up the Robinhood and I'll catch up. All right, so you can see this was from Friday. And then this morning it took out $5 for Robinhood Gold, which gives you level twos, kind of shows you um, really the bid and ask and how many people are bidding and how many people are asking, which if you look here, it's about the same thing. Um, I can't really blow it up, but you got an A, and then 32.49. A bid 32.47, and then as those prices go up or down, that fluctuates the price of Amazon. Anyway, so I get charged $5 a month from Robinhood for Robinhood Gold just to open up level twos. I think it opens up my instant access or instant deposits. So however much I have in my account, I can instantly deposit that same amount and use it before it goes to the bank and actually pulls it out and all that. So there's that info. Uh, Calculator. I bought one 21 minutes ago at 10,075, and that wasn't even in the money. The in the money were 11,500 roughly, something like that. So it's not cheap. So I might think about switching from an Amazon to something cheaper. Honestly, everything's it's just getting tougher to do. I'll tell you that. 10,075, and then I sold it 7 minutes later. I tried to hold. I was about as long as I could go. Um, so 1340, and it was 15 minutes ago. What time was that sell? 8:37. So 7 minutes. 1340 in roughly 10 minutes. Still making a video um, on a call. I missed out on quite a bit because I'm too scared, obviously. Um, Even though the daily was looking crazy on this downtrend, 1, 2, 3, we got to get a reversal. If we get to get a reversal on a daily, we need it to go all the way up here to 33.65. So, that may take a little longer than just today, but who knows? I could have missed out on 15 grand a day, 20 grand, who knows? But that's it. If you like it, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, turn on notifications, share with a friend. I'll leave a link down below for Robinhood, Acorns, Yada. I'll leave more links if you want to learn more about Yada. I'll leave more links if you want to learn how to read these candlesticks, trend lines, support resistant lines. Obviously, I need to have a little more faith in what I'm doing, but right here would be our next stop. Close 32.55, and we're right there, 32.56. So whether or not we get through there and keep on going, that's crazy. That's a heck of a jump. Plus 53. They started today -5, and now they're up 53, 56. And I'm just gonna keep going. So I could have held, got scared. Ugh, it is what it is. I'll catch up. Peace.